Hey everyone, so sa ngayon tignan natin kung na mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. Okay. So we have the greed, either way. We also have this one. Kasi sabihin ng Panginoon na if you're somebody na used to be greedy, iwasan nyo yun. Kasi I really sense na mangyayari dito ay you will discover na hindi worth it. Yung greediness mo about a certain bagay can be collections, can be addictions, or pwede rin hoarding ng money na hindi ka na nakapagbigay sa mga nangangailangan. We also have this one, so maybe you could be somebody who's a go-getter, as you can see, and we have the save. I'm sensing na gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na for you to be greedy, kasalanan din yan, lalo na kung naging obsessive ka na to the point na nakalimutan mo na yung Panginoon at responsibilidad mo. And I'm sensing with the save in reverse. So, iba sa inyo siguro, hindi nakapag-save ng pera dahil manilalagay kayo tungkol dun sa iyong greediness or pinagkakabalahan mo. We also have the sick in here. We also have take it easy in reverse. Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, tuwing ikaw yung tao na, bili na bili, God wants you to take it easy. Wag, agarang pagbili. Matuto kang magtipid, mag-save. At saka, iwasan mo yung tukso na greed. Okay? So, we have this message in reverse. We also have the mask in either way. Gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon na may mga tukso rin sa iyong buhay. I feel like yung iba sa inyo since childhood din, honestly speaking, baka meron nag-influence sa inyo. And I feel like with the mask in either way, it just mean like something will fell off with regards sa mask. Makita mo yung realidad. Kasi napansin ko dito sa greed na to, dito sa first na bagay na to, sinasabi ng Panginoon na makaka-realize ka na hindi nagbe-benefit sa'yo yung pinagkakabalahan mo. At saka I feel na most of you will become sad about it, to be honest with you, kasi marami na kayong nagasto sa bagay na yun. So you also have the 2626 in reverse, and we also have this one in reverse. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na yung bagay na inalis niya sa inyo or nagkaroon ka ng realization, to be honest, I feel na take some time to heal. Okay? And rebuild yourself. And trust God kung di ito para sa'yo. Merong ibang bagay para sa'yo. Maybe, pwede rin negosyo na pinagkabalahan mo, pinagkasusan mo, to the point na nakalimutan mo na mag-ipon. So, I think whatever had happened dun sa past, sa negosyo, let's say, parang siyang learning experience for you, para maiwasan mo na tong gawin next time around, especially next year, okay? So, we got a strong in either way. So, God is also wanting you to be strong, okay? Despite of the pain that happened, actually, nakaka-depress naman yung ganitong bagay na magkakaroon ka ng realization, ma-overwhelm ka. So, God really wants you to take some break to heal. Okay? And I feel na God also wants you to forgive yourself. Kasi, syempre, sa bagay na to, i-blame mo yung sarili mo na naging greedy ka sa bagay na yun and so on. I feel like it's for the best na rin na napagdaanan mo to kasi mapakikinabangan mo yung natutunan mo sa experience in the future. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you.